Hey y'all, if you're anything like me and you always have a home project that you are in the middle of or that you are working on, then definitely listen up to this review for this battery alternative. So we have a lot of Milwaukee type tools in our home, power tools, and let's be honest, the battery replacements can get pretty expensive. So we opted for this one right here, which is, an aftermarket battery. It does have the gauge on the front that you can easily push to see how much charge has in it. It's got the easy buttons on each side to release it. And then what's great is it fits right into a Milwaukee charger. So we now have like 4 extra batteries that we can use on our power tools, and they work just as great as the ones that came with the Milwaukee tools. So overall, I am very happy. This did come in a pack of 2, and I was lucky enough to be asked by the company to get it for free in exchange for our honest and unbiased review. And I could honestly say that we love it. My dad even loves it, and he is like a Milwaukee spoiled, tool buyer, but we will definitely be ordering more of these because it's a great alternative to buying the factory ones for sure.